My name is MJ Frazier, and I'm a jazz performance major, drum set track. I attended camp 1 year.
One summer.
I attended camp because I really wanted to become a better musician going into my senior year of high school, and the camp really helped me become better and give me the tools I needed to get better. So yeah. What was my favorite camp memory? Probably the culminating concert of the camp, which was that Saturday. I was in Dr. Detwilder's big band, and then on one of the tools I had an open solo at the end, and it was just amazing. I can say camps definitely helped me decide, because going into senior year and everything, I was just still trying to decide if I was even gonna go to college in the first place or do whatever. But then after the camp and after talking to professors and everything, and just yeah, I feel at home here. I feel good being here. So yeah. So my advice would be to future campers and FSU students: take advantage of every opportunity you get and put your best foot forward.